Hello guys, it's Tiny Tangs here, and today we will be looking at questions 11 to 15 of the 2017 Intermediate Mathematical Challenge. And you've probably heard enough of my website already, so now let's get started. So for the 11th question, what we do here is we basically what we can do here is we can split it up. So n times the area. And so what you do is you can just split it up. Wait, I'm using the wrong tool, sorry. It's annoying how you can't like scale it in like the actual dimensions. But so basically you split that to so we can split it into that. So that's 3, and then that's 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus, so plus 1, we need that, plus 3 plus 5 plus, that's, I'm so confused at my drawing now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, wait, what the? So, it's, let me see. So that's 8, 11, 12, that's 15, so that becomes 20, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So plus 6 equals to 26. So the answer to question 11 is E. And also to question 12, what we do is we basically, Claire and Dan is 38. The combined age of Dan and Eve is 44. The total of all 5 ages is 105. Which of the 5 is youngest? So basically, all we do here is, right, let me think of a solution. So it's also the total. Oh yes, I have an idea. So because, let's just write this out. A plus B equals 39. B plus C equals 40. So then we list out things that we know. We know that C is larger than A. And Claire and Dan is 38, so C plus D is 38. So B is bigger than D. Dan and Eve is 44. 44, so what we know here is, another thing is that we know that because it's so E is larger than C, that's what we can know from now, I think. Yes, that's what we know. So, yeah, so he is larger than C. So, from what we know from here, wait, all five. So, we know that E is larger than C, C is larger than A. So, that's E larger than C, larger than A, and B is larger than D. I don't know when that comes in, but let's look. The total of all 5 ages is 105, so let's try C plus D and D plus E, and C, D, A, B. So it's missing A, B, C, D, E. Wait, what? Alice, Bob and Claire, C, D, E. Well, wait. Ah, yes, because that's repeating D, E, B, C. Let's say we take D, E, B, C, and A, B. So that would be a repetition of B. So let's add them up first. So 44 plus that's 40 plus 39 equals to 84, 11, 1, 2, 3. So that's just so that's 1, 2, 3 is larger than 1, 2, 5. So 1, 2, 3 minus 105, because that's A plus 2B plus D plus E plus C plus C plus D. So that's, if you minus that, it's 18 is the age of Bob. So 18 that we can know as 21. 18. So 22. So we know that B is smaller than A already, because 18, and so that's 22, 16. Oh, so basically D is smaller than B. So D is the smallest for now. And also yeah, that's it, I think. Yeah. For question 13, because it's similar triangles, what we do now is basically 3 and 4, so that has to be like in relationship to that. So it asks P, Q, or S. So that's 7. Let's work out that side PR first. Oh, so that's 3, 4. That's 5. Because of the Pythagoras theorem. 3 squared 9. 9 plus 16 equals 25, which is 5 squared. Yes. And also, I think when you add this up, wait, so that's 5 squared, so that has to be 3, 4, 5. This is actually quite a tricky question, and I think for this question, it's wait, let me check again. Wait. Yes, the answer to question 13 is A, so 22. For question 14, it's x is 64x equal to 5. Now, I do hope that no people actually just try to solve it, because try to solve what 5, the square of 5, yeah, so the stupid way. But what you're meant to do is basically you take that, you do 2, that's 2, 5, 6. Sorry, if my way is my way of doing prime factorization is different, but yeah, it's basically the same logic. So 1, 2, 8, 2, 64, 2, 32, 2. Oh, right. So I think, right, let's say that's 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2. Okay, so yeah, so basically 64. So 2 to the square of 6. So 2 to the square of 6 is 2 to the square of 6. So 1, 2. Wait. So let me just draw something over them. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 3 left. So 2 times 2 times 2 equals to 8, which is C. So the answer to question 14 is C. For the last question today, it's actually very simple, but it's actually quite simple, but it might not seem so at first. So what you do is so basically we should know that this is S. So let's say that's A, that's 2A. So 6A, because that's all 2A, equals to 180. So A equals to 30. So C. It's very simple, as usual. So yeah, that's it, I guess. And thank you. And the website.